Hi everyone, so for today's video, I'll be teaching you how to create a single crochet. It doesn't matter what kind of yarn you will use and what's the size of your hook you will use, because today I'm going to teach you how to make a single crochet. So first, let us make our foundation chain. So let's make a slip knot. This is how I always make a slip knot. Like, twist my yarn, insert your hook in the circle, yarn over, pull through. And now let's make our foundation chain. Then yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. And keep going until you reach your desired length. Again, it's yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through. And this is how your foundation chain should look like. And congratulations, you made it this far. I'm so proud of you. And then next, let's make our single chain. For a single chain, insert your hook in your chain and then yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over, pull through. Again, insert your hook in the chain, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over, pull through. Again, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Keep going and I will meet you at the end of our chain. Okay, again, insert your hook in your chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Again, insert your hook in the chain, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through. And this is how a single crochet looks like. And congratulations for creating your first single crochet. And check out my another tutorial for double crochet. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video will help you with your crochet journey as a beginner. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.